what you have to do. Firstly, we will sit in Vajrasana. So please sit in Vajrasana. You have to here inhale and exhale few breaths, 4 or 5 breaths. You have to inhale and exhale slowly and deeply. After that, you have to put your both arms in front of your belly, and then your head will be touched to the floor, and the distance between your both elbow and here in the interlock finger should be equal, means like an equilateral triangle. And then slowly you have to pick up your one leg at 20 centimeter up to here, and then try to put it a little more up, and then another leg will up, and then slowly you have to keep it straight, and your whole weight should be on your head either or on your elbows. In the beginning you have to try so that your whole body weight should be on your elbows, otherwise it will be a little harmful for your neck. So you have to put your whole body weight on your elbows as well as on your head. So it is your final position of handstand. During this position, your feet will be relaxed, but your both legs should be totally straight. So try to keep it as much as straight you can do, and your feet should be relaxed. And while you will come back, slowly you have to bend your knees, and then slowly with exhalation you can keep your one leg firstly on the floor, and then second, and again then in Vajrasana with exhalation, and then come in Vajrasana, inhale and exhale up to here, and then this you can do firstly up to 1 or 2 minutes, and if you have advanced practice then you can perform up to 3 to 5 minutes. Okay. Now today we will learn how to do head standing pose if you are a beginner. So for this you need few props. We will tell you how to do. So if you are a beginner, if you didn't try how to do the Sirsasana or head standing pose, so in the beginning you can use one block and one this special arrangement for your head standing pose. So firstly, what you have to do, firstly sit in Vajrasana. If you have practice then you can easily sit, but if you are a beginner then maybe your buttocks does not touch to the floor, so you can put one block below your buttocks either. Slowly and feel comfortable here, and take a few breaths, inhale and exhale deeply, and after few breaths, 3 or 5 breaths, what you have to do, firstly put your both either we will use this head standing chair for beginners. So firstly put both arms ahead, then what you have to do, if your arms and if your neck having any neck problem or your arms are not strong, so that you can keep your whole body weight on your arms, so you can use this props for you. So firstly bend, keep your both shoulders should be here, so that whole body weight, when you will come up, then whole body weight will be on your shoulder. So from here what you have to do, with the inhalation you have to bring your leg slowly up, one leg and then another leg, and whole body weight should be on shoulder, and from here you have to keep your both legs so straight and your feet should be relaxed. So straight it should be, and from here it's just because if someone having any arms problem or any neck problem, so it is very easy for him. So because in this position your whole body weight is on your shoulder, so it is very easy for you in the beginning, and if you have practiced it a few days, means 30 or 40 days, then you will be able to do Sirsasana or head standing pose easily. So it was your final position. From here you can go in the starting position, initial position, slowly go down with exhalation, and then from here one leg will be go first, then another leg, and then from here here you can remove your head from this chair, and then again you can sit in Vajrasana. So it was your head standing pose or Sirsasana with the help of props if you are a beginner.